Now here we will make the handle knob. So choose front plane, select a full circle, select line and connect it from one end to another end. Choose trim entity and delete half circle. Now let's assign the diameter. Radius keep 15 mm. Okay. Now select revolve boss base. This line select as a axis. Okay. Now select hole wizard. Choose straight tap metric M10 by 1.5 mm. Blind length 13.5 and thread up to 6 mm. Go to position, select 3D sketch. Select this point, center point and any point select. See this center point and this selected. Select OK. Now you can see, go to unit option, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. Now you can see the cosmetic threads. You can see, just go to, we will assign some copper. This is the knob, brushed copper. Now save as part number 6 knob. Let's go for next. Now the next part is knob handle. Handle for tailstock. Choose front plane. Select line and start from one end, origin point. Draw a horizontal line. Connect it. Now this is the geometry and let's assign the dimension. .5 mm, assign 2 mm, and the distance from this point 5 mm. Five mm, 7 mm, and this length 6 mm, and the length from this point to this point 60 mm, 10 mm, and select this height 7 mm. Now our geometry is fully defined. Choose fillet, keep 2 mm and select this line and choose this line. Keep 2 mm. Okay, later we will decide. Select this bottom line as a axis. Okay. Keep fillet 2 mm radius or select a small 1.5 mm. Now we will assign some cosmetic thread. Select one end. Here select M8 by 1, blind 6 mm. keep line 10 mm. Okay. Again go to insert, annotation, cosmetic thread, metric, machine thread, and here select M10 by 1.25 mm and blind 6 mm. Select this end. Okay. Now go to option and always keep select shaded cosmetic thread. Now see, we will assign some material chrome finish. Now save as part number 7, handle. Let's move for the next part. Now the here next part is TailStock Center. Choose front plane, sketch. Now assign the dimension. The overall length is 30 mm, 90 mm. mm and keep the height 9 mm. This length 5.5 mm, 7.25 mm, and delete this relation tangent. Now edit 3 mm. Now our 15 mm, 9 mm. Okay. Now our geometry is fully defined. Select revolve boss base and bottom line as a axis. Okay. And here assign chrome finish also we can assign. Now save this. Part number 8, TailStock Center. Okay, let's move for the next part. Now we will sketch the shaft key or barrel key. Choose front plane, sketch. Select corner rectangle and start from origin point. And draw a T-shaped geometry. Select this both the line and make relation collinear. Now assign the dimension 12 mm, 3.5 mm, 5 mm, height 2.5 mm, and the overall height 10 10.5 mm. Okay, this is the key for actually this should be both equal. Okay, now extruded boss and extrude up to only 5 mm. Okay, brass finish. Now save as part number 9, shaft key. Save. Let's go for the next part. Now let's make the TailStock Bush. Choose front plane. Now start, select line and start. Better first draw a horizontal line, center line. Just go back and draw a half circle here. Little come down. And connect it. Exit. Select this point and this same line. Same line. This is the relation. Now let's assign the dimension. The overall length 27 mm. The distance from bottom line 5.5 mm. 29.34 by 2 mm. And this point 11 mm. Now this height keep 1.5 mm. 8 mm. Only 1 mm. Keep radius 4 mm and this radius 7 mm. Now geometry in perfect place. Now the distance from this line to here 20 mm. Okay. Now our geometry is fully defined. Choose revolve boss base. Okay. Now choose cosmetic thread. Choose here inch. Select here 1 by 8 by 12 and blind length select 8 mm. Select this edge. Okay. Cosmetic thread. That's it. Now choose hole wizard and select hole. I want to make metric 3.5 dia hole, and length 12 mm. Select position and choose here 3D sketch. Now select this point. Now you can rotate, it's up to you. Now delete. Now one is enough, so just select OK. Now see, a throughout hole is created. Now this part we will assign some satin finish is brass. Now save as part number 10, TailStock Bush. Now the last part is TailStock Ram. So choose front plane, sketch, select line. Draw one horizontal line. Select this line and choose construction geometry. Okay, now we will assign the dimension. First select overall length 37 mm. (13.5) from bottom line, top line 24.5 mm. Now this bottom line 19.5 mm, and this point 20 mm. And this length 3 mm. Okay, now select this point and this point vertical. Okay, now assign the distance, keep 11 mm. Okay, now our geometry is fully defined. Select revolve boss base. Okay, choose chamfer 3 mm. Select inside circle. Okay, now select this outer face sketch. Select this inside circle and convert it. Okay, and I want to create some thread here, so first we will select some spiral path, pitch and revolution, constant pitch, pitch key 4 mm, reverse direction, and revolution 5.75 mm, start angle 270 degree and counterclockwise. Okay, now again choose front plane or select top plane, sketch, normal. Exit, better choose front plane, sketch, normal. Now select line, and start to draw our geometry. Choose this X. Okay, line selected. Now we will start from this point. Uh, and here select center line. Select these three line and make relation symmetric. Okay, and now assign degree 29 mm. And the length 2.5 mm. And this height keep 1.35 mm. That's it. Now exit from the geometry. Now choose swept cut. Profile selected, just select this path. Okay. Now see the threads is created. Now choose top plane, plane, and keep the distance 30 mm. 30.5 mm. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, and here draw a circle. Keep the diameter 40 mm and the distance from corner edge 11 mm, and make sure it is parallel in same line. Select extruded boss and select here up to surface and select this surface. Okay. Now select this face, choose hole wizard, select straight tap, 10 by 1.5 inch metric, and the length 5 and this one 3.5. Now select position, just find out the midpoint of this circle, select OK. Now just click shaded thread. Now see the shaded thread looking inside. Now hide this plane. And assign the material satin finish stainless steel. Okay. Now save this part. TailStock Ram. Okay. Let's start the assembly of TailStock. Now the one more part is balance for tailstock pin. So choose front plane, sketch, select circle and draw a circle with 4 mm diameter and select extruded boss and extrude up to 28 mm. Okay. Now save as part number 12 pin. Material color we will apply something else so it will easily identify. Okay. Now let's start the assembly.